Yeah, no money spent in a few days. So that should be out. Okay, now I'm going to improve my team. Probably not by much. Okay, now we're going to pick a quarterback. Oh, wow. Okay, they're all bad. Okay, so now we're just going to trade for one. Okay, this is great. Okay, let's see the trade block. No. Upgrade a position. Let's do quarterback. No, this is definitely an... Oh. I guess we could take A.J. McCarron. We'll just take one of the biggest busts of all time off of your hands. So, yeah. And what do you guys need? A left tackle. Okay, so we're going to give them a 72 overall left tackle. Let's see if they take this. Oh, so close. Okay, I think we're going to add a 7th round. Wait, no. No. We're going to do this. Just go like that. And bang. Shlabang. Yes, it was accepted. Okay, this is my phone. Oh, wow. Cubs are up 2-0, guys, if you wanted to know that. So, guys, we have A.J. McCarron. Great. Awesome. As our starting quarterback. So, guys, if you want me to play the full game, I will. But I'm just going to play, play through the seasons. So, yeah. Okay, so we kind of need wide receivers. So that's what I'm going to pick up next. And then we're going to pick up some cornerbacks. And I think we're going to hop into the first game. Then that should be the end of... Okay, no, we're going straight to cornerbacks. Cornerbacks. Oh, do I want... I think we're going to get Captain Mutterlin and Daryl Worley. You know, they have tons of speed and stuff like that. Ladarius Gunter. There aren't many too good corners after that. Fine. Okay, so guys, we picked up 3 cornerbacks, and now I think we're going to hop into a game. So, yeah. So, guys, I'll make these lineup adjustments, and then I'll see you after the game, I guess. I mean, in the game. Hey, guys, what's up? It's Cobalt Triple X, and today we are playing franchise mode. But we will be rebuilding one of the worst teams in the NFL right now. And you guys will probably know who this is. So, let's get started. So, you probably already know who I'm picking. And I am picking the Browns. Or shall I just scroll through? You know what? This is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go like this, close my eyes, and stop. No, I'm going to redo that. Okay, so I'm going to start with the Bears. Go through, scroll, and stop. Okay. You know what? I'm just going to use the worst team ever. I'm just going to use the Browns. I am going to be a owner. And yeah, so guys, this is going to be exciting, and I'll see you in the season. Okay, guys, so now they are starting our league, and it's going to be exciting. So hopefully we start in the preseason, so then we can make some cuts. But yeah, so this should be fun. Oh, wait, no, we're not going to start in the preseason. But okay, this is going to be fun. It is the Steelers and the Browns. Yeah, it's great. Okay, now we're going to start at our own 20. So now, let's see what we can do. I'm just going to throw right there. Yes, caught first down. A.J. McCarron. Yeah, not very good from the Browns, is he? Okay. I've only watched